Hey guys, Justine Ghosty here with a cosplay demonstration video. When making my Senua Cosplay, making sure to have Dillion's head was one of the most important parts of this cosplay. Even though this video doesn't show it, I had already glued the fabric around a fake skull I found online and tied it off with some hemp string. The first thing I did after the fabric was at the desired length was to fray the edges of the fabric to give it a more worn look. After I had the edges to where I wanted them, I used my scissors to make some tears in the longer areas of the fabric. I then moved the skull and did the exact same technique. I didn't want to be as dramatic because I had only one layer of fabric, and I didn't want the skull itself showing. Once the fabric was to the worn look I liked, I moved to the coloring. I mixed brown paint with some water so it wouldn't be so thick when applying. I used my fingers to add the paint onto the fabric instead of brushing it. For more concentrated areas, I used 2 fingers and then my palm to rub it around. After I spread the paint onto both of my hands and lathered everything in the water paint mixture. When that was where I wanted it, I did the same thing but with red paint for some blood. I was going to use some fake blood, but I couldn't find the tube, and I didn't want to order some more. Plus, paint's a lot cheaper. To finish off the worn effect look of everything, I mixed up some coffee and soaked the fabric in it. The areas that were too big, I used my hands and poured it over, letting it soak it all up. That's it! One Dillion skull ready to go. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it in the future, give me a follow. See you next time. Thanks for watching.